Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. This is Imran Hussain. Today I am here to show you how to set up Facebook and Instagram shop by connecting your Etsy store. In this process have major 3 steps where you need to focus. First one is to verify your Etsy domain in the business manager. Second is to create the catalog and add your all products from the Etsy by creating a data feed. And third one is to create your shop and approve that. Okay, first we have to verify our domain. For doing that, you have to go to the domain option from your business manager. After that, you have to add your Etsy domain. You have to add like your username should be in front exactly like that. After that, just click on the add. Then they will give you a meta tag. Then we have to place it in the header option of the Etsy store. To do that, you have to go to the Etsy shop manager. Then you have to go to the setting option. There you will get the Facebook shop option. Click on that, and here you can get the option to place your code what we get from the meta suite. Here just place the code and click on the connect. Then we have to go to again in the business manager, and here you can see the verify domain option. Here we need to wait few hours, 2 or 3 hours. Then if you click on the verify domain, then it will be verified. Okay, now domain verification is complete. Then let's go to the catalog option. For creating catalog, you have to go to the catalog option, then add one and create the catalog. Here add your catalog name, then click on the next. Now we have two options. First one is connect with the data source, data feed, and another option is to add product from the manual. We'll show you how to add product with the data feed. We go to one website to create product feed from the Etsy automatically, so all product will be uploaded with the help of product feed. This is the website. Here we got Etsy option. Click on that, and then we have to add the username of your Etsy and here and brand name. Then how many product we want to add the number of your products, and every box click on that, and here select the subdomain with HTTPS. Then enter your language. If you have English language and other also have here, you can add them. Then submit. Okay, here product feed is generated with the CSV format. Let's download it, and let's go to the commerce manager. Here select the upload from computer and add that file. Then just click next and select your default currency and upload that. Okay, now catalog is completed. Our products are uploaded in the commerce manager. Now next step is to create the shop. Click on the shop button. Go to the shops, then click on the next, select your location. If you create from the US ID, then it will automatically show the US location. Then add your email, select the sales channels and catalog carefully, then click on the next. If you from the another country, then you can select the checkout on the website. Here this is USA country, so it's connected with the checkout with Facebook and Instagram. Now add here delivery and returns, time and charge. You can add here privacy policy of your Etsy store link. Now tick the box button and finish setup. Okay, now Facebook shop is creating. Let's wait. Okay, for USA country, now we have to set up the checkout form. Here all option we need to add the bank account information also. If we just add this information, then our shop will be active. Okay, that's all. If you encounter any issue while setting up your Facebook and Instagram shop, just reach out to us. We are here to assist you professionally. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thanks for your time.